Let's get straight to it. No fluff, no slow intro. If you drive a Chevrolet truck or SUV, there are 5 hidden factory settings quietly working in the background that can accelerate engine wear, cause long-term damage, and shorten your engine's lifespan. Here's the quick answer up front. This is what most people miss. 1. Active Fuel Management, AFM. Cylinder Deactivation. 2. Auto Start-Stop System. 3. Extended Oil Change Intervals, Oil Life Monitor. 4. Transmission Adaptive Learning, Aggressive Shift Strategy. 5. Engine Warm-Up Neglect, Cold Start Programming plus Driving Habits. If your goal is long-term reliability, these are the first things you should understand, manage, or disable where possible. Now let's break down exactly why these settings can hurt your engine and what you should do about each one. 1. Active Fuel Management, AFM, the silent engine killer. This is the big one. Chevrolet introduced Active Fuel Management, AFM, also called cylinder deactivation, to improve fuel economy. On paper, it sounds smart. Your V8 engine shuts down half its cylinders during light driving to save fuel. But here's the reality. AFM is one of the leading causes of engine reliability issues, especially in engines like the 5.3-liter V8. What actually goes wrong? AFM relies on special lifters that collapse and re-engage constantly. These lifters operate under high pressure and heat. Over time, they fail, stick, or collapse permanently. When that happens, you get ticking noise, misfires, loss of power, in worst cases, complete engine failure. Why it shortens engine life. Every time AFM activates, oil pressure shifts suddenly, internal parts cycle more aggressively. Lifters experience repeated stress. This isn't a one-time issue, it's happening thousands of times per drive cycle. What you should do: disable AFM via tuner or AFM disabler device. Use higher quality oil and change it more frequently. Avoid light throttle cruising patterns that trigger AFM constantly. Bottom line, AFM saves fuel, but often at the cost of long-term engine durability. 2. Auto Start-Stop, more wear than you think. This feature shuts your engine off at stoplights and restarts it when you lift your foot off the brake. Sounds efficient, but it comes with hidden costs. The real issue: your engine experiences the most wear during startup. With Auto Start-Stop, your engine restarts dozens of times per drive. Oil pressure drops to 0 repeatedly. Internal parts lose consistent lubrication. Long-term effects: increased wear on starter motor, battery, crankshaft bearings, micro wear inside the engine from repeated dry starts. Even though modern systems are designed for it, real-world usage shows increased component fatigue over time. What you should do: turn it off manually every drive. If no permanent disable, use an aftermarket auto stop eliminator. Avoid heavy traffic conditions where it cycles constantly. Bottom line, it saves a little fuel, but it adds unnecessary wear to your engine and starting system. 3. Oil Life Monitor, misleading and risky. Chevrolet's Oil Life Monitoring System, OLM, is designed to tell you when to change your oil. The problem? It often pushes oil changes way too far. What most drivers see: oil life at 20 to 30% and still driving. Suggested intervals of 7,500 to 10,000 miles, 12,000 to 16,000 kilometers. What actually happens inside the engine? Oil breaks down faster than expected. Heat and contaminants build up. Sludge starts forming. Lifters and camshaft components lose proper lubrication. This is especially dangerous for engines with AFM systems, turbochargers, high heat cycles. Why it ruins reliability. Engines like the Chevy 5.3-liter are extremely sensitive to oil quality. When oil degrades, lifters fail faster, internal wear increases, engine noise develops. What you should do: ignore the factory interval. Change oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers for best longevity. Always use high-quality synthetic oil. Bottom line, the system is optimized for cost and convenience, not maximum engine lifespan. Number 4. Transmission Adaptive Learning, hidden stress on your engine. Most Chevrolet vehicles use adaptive transmission learning. This system adjusts shift patterns based on your driving style. Sounds good, but here's the catch. If you drive aggressively, tow frequently, accelerate hard, the system adapts by holding gears longer, increasing shift pressure, delaying upshifts. How this affects your engine: higher RPMs for longer periods, more heat buildup, increased load on internal components. Over time, this leads to faster wear on engine and transmission, reduced efficiency, more stress during daily driving. What you should do: reset transmission learning periodically, drive smoothly and consistently, avoid aggressive throttle patterns unless necessary. Bottom line, the system learns bad habits just as easily as good ones, and your engine pays the price. Number 5. Cold start behavior, the most overlooked damage. This isn't a button, but it is a built-in system behavior. Modern Chevrolet engines are programmed to start quickly, run lean for efficiency, expect immediate driving. The problem: most engine wear happens during the first few minutes after startup. When you start the engine and drive immediately, accelerate hard while cold, you're causing poor oil circulation, increased friction, uneven metal expansion. Why it destroys long-term reliability. Cold oil is thicker and slower to flow. That means bearings aren't fully protected, lifters aren't properly lubricated, internal parts grind slightly before warming up. Do this daily, and the wear adds up fast. What you should do: let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds minimum. Drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid high RPM until fully warmed up. Bottom line, cold starts are unavoidable, but how you handle them determines your engine's lifespan. Why these settings exist and why they're still used. You might be wondering, if these settings can cause issues, why does Chevrolet use them? The answer is simple: fuel economy regulations, emissions requirements, marketing pressure for efficiency. These systems help manufacturers meet government standards, advertise better MPG, reduce emissions on paper, but they don't always prioritize long-term durability, real-world driving conditions. The bigger picture: reliability versus efficiency. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. Modern engines are built for efficiency first, longevity second. If you want your Chevrolet engine to last, you have to drive and maintain it differently than the factory expects. That means shorter oil intervals, disabling unnecessary systems, driving with mechanical sympathy. What happens if you ignore this? If you leave everything stock and follow factory recommendations exactly, here's what typically happens over time. 50,000 to 80,000 miles, minor ticking, rough shifts, 80,000 to 120,000 miles, lifter issues, oil consumption, 120,000 plus miles, major repairs, camshaft, lifters, or worse. Meanwhile, owners who disable AFM, change oil early, avoid aggressive driving, often see engines last 200,000 miles with fewer issues. Final thought: this is about control. You don't need to panic or rush to modify everything overnight, but you do need to understand this. Your vehicle is making decisions automatically that affect its lifespan. The more control you take back, the longer your engine will last. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you noticed ticking noise in your Chevy engine? Rough shifting or strange behavior? Oil life monitor pushing long intervals? Which of these 5 hidden settings do you think is the biggest problem? And have you already turned any of them off?